Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make an apartment in Roblox Studio. Firstly, you need to open up Roblox Studios and head to the My Game section. Then open up the game you want to add the apartment into. So I'll go into my test game where I will add my apartment after it loads. So after the game loads properly, we will head to the toolbox section and under models tab, we will search for an apartment room. So now you will see a lot of apartment rooms have appeared in our search panel. So we can just add one of them. Click on OK. So here is the apartment room. But in order to make a building, we'll need to stack a couple of these rooms on top of each other. In order to do that, we will select the room first. Then right click and duplicate. Now we will need to add the duplicate one on top of this one. In order to do it properly, we will copy the origin of the previous one. Then go to the next one. Paste the origin here and change the height to the adjusting height. So as this room is 30 blocks higher, so I'll need to add 10 plus 20, 30 in here. By that method, it will align properly. I can just add many more layers as I want. So Control T. Then change the origin to plus 50 again. So 30 plus 20, it will be 50 this time. So by this method, I can stack as much room as I want in here. After I'm done, I'll click on the play button. So now if I go through the main door, you will see that the apartment room has successfully been imported. And the next apartment is on top of this apartment. So if we can make a way to the top apartment somehow, we can link the total building together and it will be a great livable place. So this will be how you can add an apartment building into your Roblox world.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.